Satu, dua, tiga. Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we want to discuss about mineral water industry, or to be exact, it is the bottled water industry. So Faras, what do you know about bottled water industry, Faras? As we know in Indonesia, there's many firm for bottled water industry.
Yes,
What you know about that?
I think in Indonesia the market is very big, but the holder of the market is relatively small. Uh,
Okay.
the business that have uh, have big network in Indonesia is not as many as in other country. How do you think, sir?
Okay, so what you say is in Indonesia, I agree with that. About Indonesia, we have many bottled water companies actually. Actually, we have over 600, approximately over
Yes.
600 bottled water company. But 60% of those is small medium scale operation, not big scale like what we say Aqua, or what we say like what
Like
the
so,
Cleo, yep. I think Aqua is not from Indonesia, right? It is from France, if I'm not mistaken.
I think from Indonesia.
Oh, is Aqua from Indonesia? I forgot about that. I think it is from France because what? The company is, I don't know actually the real thing where Aqua came from, but what I'm now for sure is what come from Indonesia is like Le Mineral. Is it from Indonesia, right? Le Mineral?
Yes. Le Mineral. I think it's from outside Indonesia
Oh,
actually,
okay. We have a
but
different opinion then. So we can conduct our research about that later. Uh, After that, we about the praising behavior of the bottled water. As we know, the
uh,
small water, not small, the what? How many milliliter is it? The cup one, water cup one. Is it 250 or 100?
uh, I think it's 100 if I'm not mistaken. Uh, Said I found that Aqua is from Indonesia actually.
Okay. Aqua is from Indonesia. Thank you for the research for us. After that, what we want to talk is let's talk about the industry actually. The industry of bottled water is interesting for me because the number is big. As I say, it's 600, but only 40% of it is big. The the rest is a small medium enterprise operation. And let's talk
Yes.
about demand. How do you think for us about the demand of water butter? Is it high or is it not too high?
I think it's very high. Even it's among the highest demand in the world. The mineral water bottle industry is one of the highest demand because as we know it's our main need as a human, and it's also growing very fast over the years. It's high and it's also growing very fast.
Okay.
If
So
I'm mistaken,
okay. What?
uh, do you agree with what I say, or you
Oh
have
yes,
your
yes.
own opinion?
I agree with your opinion because as we know, the water is what one of our necessity for life, right?
Yes.
With the necessity of drinking water is big. Yes, not necessity, but with the need of human to drink water is big. We can let's say just conclude. We can conclude that everyone need water, right? Everyone need an instant water, what bottled water. But what I know, bottled water uses plastic, right?
What?
The
Sorry.
bottled water is using a plastic for its bottle.
Yes. Yes.
So as we know that it's kind of the nature, but not nature. Many activists actually started to banning that. Can we conclude that as an not ban but as an distraction to our firm, to this industry, because as we know we need we need the
Yes.
plastic bottled water to what to make the price lower, right?
Yes.
So if we have so many activists that do not like our way, is it challenge? Is it a challenge for us?
Yes. Because changing from plastic is very hard for the company. It's the challenge, including the money needed to change, and all the tools that the company have is plastic uh for the plastic bottle.
Okay.
So also people is already comfortable with the plastic, but I think there are many substitution that can replace plastic, but it's actually hard. What do you think, Said, about changing the bottle from plastic?
What we change it with? What we change it?
Yes.
What the substitution with? What we change the plastic?
Mm, maybe with paper bottle, but it's not very not very durable, or let's say it's hard to keep because of the strong of the
Let's
bottle if using paper.
let's actually not talk about the durability, because as
Yes.
I know the durability, what not as I know, but the water butter is just the plastic one. Actually, the plastic one is just for one use, right?
Yes.
We cannot use it for another purpose. Like it's not good. First, second, it is in the regulation that not. I don't think not everything is one use, but I have heard the what I have heard it about the bottled water, the plastic one from like Aqua, Cleo, etc., etc. It just we can just use it once. If we use it twice or thrice, it can it can what it can damage our health actually. So if we talk about durability, I think it if it can just like if we can just use it once, like the bottled water, the paper, yes, right, the paper
The
one, if
paper
we
is
can use it just once,
becoming more. Yes.
if
The
we can
paper is as I
okay,
see in other industry, they starting using paper, but it's become popular, but it's cannot be as durable as plastic. Yes. Can
okay.
you can continue?
As we know, if in my opinion, yeah, if the paper bottle, as you say, from the paper, can at least hold it once, not to spoil the water, I think it's good. The
Yes.
second problem is I'm sure it is more pricier. It is more pricier than the plastic.
Yes. Like
So
for example, in I think in United States, the son of Will Smith has opened the mineral water using paper bottles.
okay, it's interesting.
It's become
So we have the firm
very
that
big in
already
United
use
States.
the technique. Yes,
Yes.
continue for us. Okay.
Sorry.
So we already have what? So we already have the industry, the firm actually, the firms that actually use the technique, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if
Yes.
there's the firm that use it, it should be fine then if we also do it like that. So for us,
Yes.
let's talk about pricing, the pricing of the mineral water.
Yes.
So with in Indonesia, we know that the 250 milliliter one is 3,000 rupiah. Do you think the profit is high for us, or do you think the profit is low?
Uh, I think the profit is relatively, if we count it per bottle, it's relatively low. But as we know, the company is selling it in all of the states in Indonesia, so it's actually high if the selling is high. Do you agree with that?
Let's say I agree to disagree because as I know that water is
Uh,
actually have a high profit because let's just say the water come from the mountain. Most of the water came from the mountain, right? They have
yes,
their facility just for like let's say just the what modal if you say in Indonesia, it's the technology to produce the water, the technology to change that mountain water to drinkable water. That's the most pricier, that's the most expensive thing that mineral water firm need to do.
yes.
Uh,
Also, the chemistry side of thing that make the water durable. For example, like aqua is expiring, I think, for 5 years. The chemistry that used is also expensive for
okay.
uh, for the company. What the other thing you think can make the price high, that affecting the price?
The other thing is what make the price high is uh, like I said before, the technology first.
Yes,
The second is let's just say when the water run out.
yes, but uh, I think the water source is has enough water for, I think, for 200 years for aqua or Clio or the other.
Okay, okay. So the last thing I want to talk this night is about the social welfare. Not social. Let's talk about the nature welfare because it is what mm, because it is like I said before, it's plastic, right?
Yes, sure.
The plastic is very bad. I'm sure it is very bad for the nature. So when we talk about the welfare, let's talk about the nature welfare because it is I think it is what most affected by the the production of the mineral water.
Yes.
What do you think, Faras?
The did you mean the plastic that affect
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
natural
Do
water?
you think
Yes.
that this industry have any other negative effect to the nature?
Uh, I think the main problem is, like you say, the plastic, but the other is maybe the the water. They taking too much water from the source that make the people around the source don't have enough clear water for their living, I think.
I don't think that will be a problem actually because I have seen what video that people who live in the mountain they have very much clear water.
Yes.
As I know, yeah,
Yes.
I don't know about all of it. Uh, as I know that people
Uh,
who live in
sorry.
mountain, why?
Uh, I I mean not taking too much water, but if they ruin the water, if they not carefully when
Oh,
they
okay, okay.
producing,
You talk
so
about
they
the
ruin
waste,
the
right?
water with. Yes.
You talk about the waste of the chemistry, etc., etc., like that.
I think like you say in the mountain, the water is too much to take to take all of the water. But I think if they when they produce, they making mistake when such as they make the water dirty, so
Yes, yes,
they ruin the water,
yes, yes, yes.
the
I
source
agree, I
of the
agree.
water for
That's
the people
one of
around there.
the. It's actually also social, right? If the like it's the social for the people who live in that village, in that mountain village. So yes,
Yes.
it have a bad effect. It have a good effect also. Actually, the good effect is for us, the firm, right? What do you? Okay, I want to talk about one more thing: ease of entry and exit. If we enter, if we join the industry, do you think it will be easy?
Uh, I think it's actually very hard because people usually only use one one product for the mineral water. So if you want to join the industry, you must have a very good strategy because it's not very many things that affected people choice for mineral water. Do you think
Yes,
as
yes,
me say?
yes. Actually, it's kind of funny that when we talk about mineral water, my mind, my head is always thinking about aqua. Do
Yes,
you? Yes, like it is right for us.
yes,
When we talk about mineral
yes,
water, when we talk about instant water, we think about aqua. We say even though it clay, even though it lay mineral, we call it aqua. So when it can just like what kebiasaan. So for us a new player who want to enter this industry, who want to start a firm in this industry, yes, I'm agree with you. It is quite hard to enter it.
yes. It's
One last more reason, it is expensive. We need many money. We need much money for this industry. We need to find the location. We need to find there's too many work to enter.
but
I'm not saying other industry is easy, but all of industry is easy. But yeah, mineral water is not the industry that we can make fun of. It is hard. It is a very hard. It is a very tough industry.
yes. I
So
think
yes, yes, for us.
not the money that we have to spend in the tool. Sure, the tool is expensive, but compared to other company, the tool is not very
Yep,
expensive
yep,
relatively. But
yep.
the strategy and the
R&D.
marketing money that we have to spend is I think very expensive because of
Yeah, also research.
the competition is very hard
Yep,
for
yep,
mineral water
yep.
as as it say in the Jakarta Post analysis.
Okay, you have to read that. Good, good. Okay, so we conclude our podcast, right, for us? It is.
Yes,
It have a very. We have a very good time, so we can conclude our podcast now. So thank you, Faras, for joining me this night, and
thank you.
thank you guys for listening to our not so good podcast. So thank you. We'll see you next time.
Sorry if we have mistake.
Yes, sorry if I mistake. Bye.